Hi, I'm looking for a part-time job.
Welcome. What kind of work?
Something flexible, weekends maybe.
What experience do you have?
I worked in retail before.
Great. Many stores are hiring.
How many hours per week?
Usually 15 to 20 hours.
That is perfect for me.
Do you have an updated resume?
Not yet. I need to update it.
We offer free resume help.
Really? That is wonderful.
Every Tuesday, 2 to 4 p.m.
I will come this Tuesday.
Here are some job listings to look at.
A bookstore is hiring.
Yes, and a coffee shop too.
I love books and coffee.
Apply to both. Double your chances.
Good advice. Thank you.
Good luck, Sarah.
Hi, I need to print my resume.
Sure. How many copies?
5 copies, please.
On regular paper or nice paper?
What is nice paper?
Heavier paper. Feels more professional.
That one, please.
Smart choice. Employers notice that.
Can you check the formatting?
Sure. Let me look. It looks clean.
Any suggestions?
Your name is a little small.
Can you make it bigger?
Done. Now it stands out.
Much better, thank you.
Do you need envelopes too?
For what?
To keep your resumes clean and flat.
Good idea. 5 envelopes.
Your total is $8.
Here you go, thank you.
Good luck with the job search.
I am so nervous about tomorrow.
Let's practice. I will be the interviewer.
Okay, go ahead.
Tell me about yourself.
I am hardworking and reliable.
Good. Why do you want this job?
I love books, and I love helping people.
Great answer. What is your strength?
I am very organized and friendly.
And your weakness?
I sometimes work too hard.
Classic answer. Be more honest.
Okay, I get nervous in new situations.
But I am working on it. Add that.
Good idea. Anything else?
Smile. Make eye contact.
And firm handshake?
Yes. Not too tight, not too loose.
Let me practice.
Perfect handshake.
I feel more confident now.
You will do amazing tomorrow.
Welcome, Sarah. Please sit down.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Why do you want to work here?
I love reading and helping readers.
What is your favorite book?
Little Women. I read it every year.
Great choice. Have you worked in retail?
Yes, 2 years at a clothing store.
What did you learn there?
Customer service and teamwork.
Those are important here too.
I am also very organized.
Can you work weekends?
Yes, Saturdays and Sundays.
What about Friday evenings?
That works too.
We pay $12 an hour.
That sounds fair.
When can you start?
Next week.
I like your enthusiasm. Welcome aboard.
Really? I got the job?
Yes. See you Monday for training.
My wife just got a new job.
Congratulations! Where?
At the bookstore on Main Street.
What kind of clothes does she need?
Casual but neat.
Khaki pants and a polo shirt?
That sounds right.
What size for her?
Medium top, size 6 pants.
This navy polo is very comfortable.
She likes navy blue.
And these khakis are wrinkle-free.
That is convenient.
2 polos and 2 pants?
And comfortable shoes?
These flats are great for standing.
She will be on her feet all day.
These have extra cushion inside.
Perfect. How much for everything?
$89 total.
A good investment for her new job.
She will look great.
I am so excited to start.
Welcome, Sarah. I am Chris.
Hi, Chris. What do I do first?
I will show you the sections.
How many sections are there?
Fiction, nonfiction, and children's books.
Where do new books go?
On the front display table.
And returns?
We reshelve them by author name.
Alphabetical order?
Exactly, A to Z.
What about the register?
I will show you after lunch.
Is it hard to learn?
No, very simple. Scan and bag.
Do customers ask for recommendations?
All the time. That is the best part.
I would love that.
You are a perfect fit here.
Thank you, Chris. I am so happy.
Welcome to the Bookstore family.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
A book for my daughter's birthday.
How old is she?
She is turning 10.
Does she like adventure stories?
She loves them.
How about Harry Potter?
She already has those.
Percy Jackson?
Has she not read that one?
It is about Greek mythology. Very exciting.
That sounds perfect.
Shall I gift wrap it?
You do gift wrapping?
Yes, free with every purchase.
Yes, please, with a bow.
Pink or purple bow?
Purple, her favorite color.
Here you go, all wrapped.
It looks beautiful. Thank you.
Happy birthday to your daughter.
You are great at this job.
Greg, what a surprise!
Sarah, you are wearing a bookstore polo.
Today was my first day.
How was it?
I loved it. I helped a customer.
What do they need?
A birthday book for his daughter.
That must feel good.
It was the best part of the day.
Are you working weekends?
Saturdays and Sundays and Fridays.
That is a good schedule.
Tom and I are saving for Hawaii.
The extra money helps.
Plus, I get a book discount.
How much?
20% off all books.
That is amazing for a reader.
I already picked 3 books.
Careful with the discount.
You are right.
Congratulations on the new job, Sarah.
How was your first day?
I loved every minute of it.
Tell me everything.
I organized shelves, I helped a customer.
You were born for this job.
Chris was so helpful with training.
Was everyone nice?
So nice.
I am so proud of you.
And I get 20% off books.
Our bookshelves will be full.
Maybe. The extra money helps.
Closer to Hawaii every paycheck.
I calculated 6 months faster.
6 months?
Because I want to swim in that ocean.
After our swimming lessons.
Yes, step by step.
To your new job and our Hawaii dream.
Cheers.
Cheers.